Welcome to this tour of Gardenslug's first ever publicly displayed Great Ball Contraption, or GBC. Our tour starts with a view of the 14-foot ramp which brings balls from the end of our layout back to the beginning. The balls enter our first module, a spiral staircase built by Dario. At the top of their climb, the balls then enter a green conveyor belt for their journey back to the top of a marble run roller coaster made from Lego tubing. At the bottom of the marble run, the balls enter a small sweeper module, quickly placing them into the input bin for a conveyor ride to the top of the pinball machine. See if you can spot the next white ball going in the central hole, popping out of the back secret tunnel. If you watch long enough, you might even see a ball score 2 points through the basket. Next, the balls enter an Archimedes screw module built by Gardenslug member Al. Next, the balls enter a construction-themed module made by Gardenslug member Andy. All the parts for this module can be found in a single Technic set, the bucket wheel excavator. After the balls are tipped out of this module, they enter a long, tall conveyor where they will reach the highest point along their journey. It's a quick trip to the back of the table, a left-hand turn, and 14 feet down the ramp back to where we started. Thank you for joining us on our tour.